guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a DIY towel holder for your oven door. What you're going to need is some book rings, a small sewing kit, it was $1 at Walmart, piece of fabric, some crocheting thread. I got the Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and some buttons. So let's get started. This takes quite a while to do. I just took and pulled out a little bit of the crocheting thread and then wrapped it around it. And you're going to make about 2 or 3 layers around the actual loop. So you don't have to worry about missing some spots because you're going to go back over it 2 more times. So you just keep wrapping it around. So what I did was I just kept wrapping that string around there until I got the consistency that I wanted, like the thickness of the string around the band. And then I just tied it in a little knot and I cut off the little piece of string that was hanging off of there. Once that I got that done, I just took my little sewing kit that I bought. It was $1 at Walmart. It's not really expensive. And just went ahead and threaded the needle so it would be ready. And then I just got my fabric, and this is just an extra piece of fabric that I had from making pumpkins. I put it on pumpkins, but I just cut a little piece out and folded over one side and then just hot glued that side together to that side. And then I also just turned it around and done the opposite side. I also hot glued it together. Once I finished this side, I just folded it over and hot glued it up against the other side of the seam so it'd be nice and closed. Then I just take and fold it up to figure out how big that I wanted it and just cut a little bit of the excess fabric off. After that, I just put the ring in and I put hot glue on it, and I accidentally got it crooked. I'm well aware that it's crooked. I would recommend cutting the sides, making it like a triangle point instead of doing what I did. It'd make it a lot easier. It's very hard to get it to go on straight because the fact that the glue dries hard. You can actually sew this whole piece together, but I am not really good at sewing, so I decided to use a hot glue gun. I have no clue why I decided to sew the button on. You can actually probably just hot glue the button to the fabric. After that, I just fold the other side over and put a little bit of glue on it. That way there's no rough edges sticking out and it looks nice and neat looking. And then I just take and fold it over to kind of see where I want to put the button at. And then I'm just going to take a pen and mark a line where I want to put the button. And now I'm just going to sew the button on. And guys, I'm no professional sewer, so if I'm doing this wrong, just look over me because I have no idea how to sew. After that, I'm just going to take and fold it up and just cut a little slit in it. That way I can put my button through it. And then you just take and you put your towel through it. And there you go. If you guys want to see more DIYs with a hot glue gun, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.